So in today's video, we're going to be doing part 3 of the project lawn. And in the last video, we had thrown down seed, starter fert, and had covered it with a slight layer of top dressing. And between then and now, this video, they have had a little bit of damage done by some of the birds and have been eating the seed and feasting on it, and have left a few, still some dead patches. So today we're going to take some peat moss, another round of starter fert, and some seed, and throw it down and see the results thereafter. So let's get to it. All right, we're back at the project lawn. It has been growing. We are starting to get some growth in. We did need to trim it down a little bit, and so we're looking at getting this manual reel mower so that we don't tear the turf up, because it's pretty moist out there. It's pretty damp. So, but it's looking a lot better. Starting to grow in, but we definitely need to make sure we trim some of this grass down so that we don't get the grass blades blocking out the sunlight to the new grass, baby grass blades. Hope for the best. Throw her down. Soak it in. Get it away from them stinking birds.
Two weeks later.
please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for notifications on any future videos being posted. Also, like, share with your friends, and comment down below. It really helps. And we'll see you in the next one.